Hi, my name is Elizabeth Nations and I'm the Vice President and General Manager at Systems Fab and Machine. As anybody in our industry knows, trying to find skilled personnel has become harder and harder and a bigger challenge every day. So Systems thought outside the box like we typically do and solved our problems. We basically created a on-site welding school.
My name's Alex Ford. I'm a welding instructor here at the El Dorado Fab Shop. Yeah, the first class we had 14 new people straight off the street, never welded, didn't have any experience in this type of work. Ended up with over 30 certs out of that group. About 7 guys really stand out in that first class. Tyler, Chance, Roland, Aaron, Bert, Tony, Brodnicks.
My name is Tyler Johnson.
Nathan Chance Roland.
My name is Tony Brodnicks. I chose to go with System because I wanted to learn a skilled trade. They was willing to train me, put me to work and give me that opportunity.
I wanted to be something more than just a helper.
It's been a great experience.
Learning something new was probably my favorite part of it, and just learning new people, being a part of a new company.
The people I work with. The people I work with, most definitely. Like, I don't ever have a sore moment out here.
Welding school, we started off grinding.
MIG, hardwire, and flux core, uphill with both, overhead with both, and then horizontal with flux core.
You know, an opportunity to get paid to learn the skill was, that was pretty cool.
It's a really good program because you're in there for 7 weeks and they're paying you for a whole time you're in there. And I mean, it's hard to beat.
I think I would recommend this program to different people, whether they have a little skills or people that hadn't, never been, because Alex is a good instructor.
I didn't know anything when I came in here, and now I've passed every test we've had. He's fun to work around.
He's always a motivating person. Like, he's never in a bad mood if you don't do good, and he's always there to help you. I would most definitely recommend this course for other people. It is a learning experience and it can probably change your life.